Hey guys, how you doing? Sometimes you have an issue with charging your MacBook or your iPhone or any phone, and it's not charging, or it's giving the battery goes dead and there's issue. There could be multiple issues. It could be your charge port not correctly seated, or has dirt buildup. There's multiple things that could happen. We're gonna take a look at the power brick right now, and just trying to show you um, if these things get dirty, the ports and the connections are not meeting correctly, there will be a charge issue. Like over here at this moment, looking at this looks pretty clean, and all the pins are looking good on this power adapter. But sometimes it could be dirt buildup in here, causing problems not to charge. So this is not looking that bad. Now we're gonna switch over to the cable. This is the USB-C side of it. Let's see how dirty it is. I see a little bit of hair. Let's see. Hold on, let me see a little bit closer. We could try to clean this up, but that could be a cost too. There could be things between the pins, or dirt just build up in the port, could cause no charge. And then the other thing, you have to take a look at it. Sometimes you have a wire that's exposed. There could be things not grounding correctly, could cause a problem. Or if it's not the right cable, it could cause a problem too. So those are things you have to take a look at it. Like, could be a crack, you know. And then the lightning port, it could get dirty. Those pins could be dirty, like you can see right here. That could cause a problem, not charging. So yeah, if you have any issues with charging your laptop or your phone, reach out to us. There'll be a link in the description. You guys have a wonderful day. Thank you.